Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Wanjiru. Thanks for joining me and thank you so much for being part of this video. Today I'm going to answer a question of one of my YouTube subscribers by the name Massimina, and concerning the video I uploaded about Kikuyu female names and their meaning. So, Mercy Minor asked me, what is the meaning of Wanjiru? The name Wanjiru comes from one of the Kikuyu 9 daughters by the name Wanjiru, and it means the dark one. Actually, it comes from the name the dark one, which means Jiro. Jiro is like something that is dark or black or so. So Wanjiru comes from the name the dark one. I hope I was able to answer your question, and if you have more questions concerning this video, just feel free and let me know. So goodbye, take good care.